everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be yet another Influenster unboxing, you guys. So this box is actually for my dog. I think I've gotten 3 vlog boxes like within 2 weeks. I am blessed. Thank you. I just hope it don't have coronavirus on it. So yeah, you guys, this is a vlog box for my dog. Influenster is a site where you go on there and you type in all your social medias. You also add your social medias, duh, obviously. And then you go on there and products that you have used or have used in the past, get on there, write little fun reviews about products that you love and enjoy to share with the Influencer community, and you will qualify for a fun vlog box. They always send out vlog boxes. I think it's like, I don't know, they do it all the time, but I always seem to like get one every 6 months to a year, depending. And yeah, and then they'll send you a survey just to see if you are good enough for the specific vlog boxes that they are sending out, and then you just type in all your information, answer it correctly or to the best way of your knowledge, and they will let you know within a week if you qualify for a vlog box. So in this vlog box, this one is the Old Mother's Hubbard Baking Company, all natural and are boned since 1926. So I do know that my dog will be very happy with these. The only thing that kind of scares me is I switched my cat to a healthy diet and she ended up with kidney stones, and I really hope that this doesn't give my dog that. So I am a little skeptical of this, but I did read reviews on this, and they have got like really good reviews. So with all further ado, let me hush my mouth and let's get into this box, baby. I don't know what that was, but yeah. So I actually thought I was only going to get 1 package for testing purposes, and I ended up getting 2 good size bags, you guys. One thing I do love about this is a chewy soft treat. And this one is the soft and tasty peanut butter and bacon flavored biscuit. And this is oven baked dog biscuits. And these are mini because my dog is a Chihuahua. The date on it is pretty good. It is good till September 29th, 2020. So we still do have a long ways away before it expires. This is an 8-ounce bag, and it says all natural dog snack biscuits pour cheens. I don't know. So yeah, she's got that one, and they look like little mini bones. And then she also has this one as well, and it's soft and chewy as well. And this one is the chicken and veggie flavored biscuits, and this one says that it is oven baked dog biscuits as well, and they are minis because obviously, once again, my dog is a Chihuahua, and the date is September 25th, 2020, and this is also an 8-ounce bag. So I'm pretty sure she will be very glad to try these goodies out, and as soon as I give her some goodies, I will definitely film and add it in and see if she actually enjoys these. My cat will probably get pissed off at me, but I gotta do it for testing purposes. Poulton, don't get mad at your mama. I'm just doing things that I'm told to do for testing purposes. And I got it for free, you guys, so that makes it even more better. So actually, let me see how much these cost. So it ranges from $5.47 to $7, I'm assuming, just depending on what site you decide to buy these from. I'm sure you can find these in any of your local pet stores that are close to you. And yeah, so if you're interested, go to your local pet store and see if they have these and we'll see if these work for Vanna. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of Influenster. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. And always, wake up, do you, and do what makes you feel confident. See you guys. Alright, you guys, so Vanna loves to sit in her cage underneath her blanket because I guess she stays warm. Vanna! Let's see if she's gonna like these. Vanna! You guys see her yet? Alright, I'm having a complication. Alright, let's see. You like these? Here comes the cat. Polson, we ain't got no treats for the Polson, sorry. You like your treat? Here, one more. Well, there you go, you guys. She's eating her treats.